Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door handle in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Torx 20 screwdriver and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door handle. The door handle is mounted on the outer door panel, conveniently allowing the door to be opened. The main reason for the door handle to be replaced is if it breaks, making it a difficult task to open the dishwasher. We can begin by taking the 3 Torx 20 screws out at the bottom here. And that's going to free the door handle from the panel. I'm going to use the Torx 20 screwdriver and remove that screws. And now I can open the door and take out the screws that holds the inner door to the outer door panel. We're going to take out the 4 screws on the top. This is a Torx 20 screwdriver, and remove it one by one. And now we're going to move to the side and take out this screws. These side screws are a little bit shorter than the screws from the top. I'm going to close the door and I'm going to slide down the outer panel with the touchpad here. So I'm going to pull up and remove this touchpad with the control board and just let it hang down slowly. Make sure you don't break anything, any like harness. To remove the handle, we're going to turn it around and then using the flat blade screwdriver, we're going to pry up this metal edge to free this 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs. There are 2 on the sides that we have to open too. Lift this side and push the handle out. Then go on this side and the bottom and the last one here, and we can remove the handle. This is the old door handle next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing a new door handle, I'm going to use a pair of pliers and I'm going to bend the tabs in a little bit to ensure a snug fit. This side and this side. Not much. And then wherever you see it's not looking down, we're going to make it look down. Then I'm going to bring a new door handle. I'm going to fit it in this way. And press it in hard. As you can see, now we're going to install it. So we're going to pick up the control panel. Be aware of the wiring. So bring it up. And then on angle, like this, we have to go in. So this plastic goes into the door. And then these tabs on the top will go inside the cutouts in the outer door panel. All right. To install the outer door panel, we need to lift it off and put the inside strip on the top of the hinges. And then reach in and open the door. Support it on the sides and put your knee under. So I'm going to put one screw to hold the doors together and a Torx 20 screwdriver. Tighten it. And another one, I guess, would be better. We're going to put the bottom one too. So we have this side secured. Move to the opposite side. And the one more at the bottom. Please note that these 3 screws on each side are the short screws. The top one here and the 4 on the top are longer screws. That's the last short screw on this side. And we're going to install the longer ones. And the last short screw goes on this side. And I can put the first long screw. And next 4 top screws. Do not over tighten them, they are going into the plastic. So we're going to close the door. So we're going to install the 3 sharp-ended screws from the bottom. We're going to use the Torx 20 screwdriver. And there's one there, right there. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.